Big bang, take the bang, nah, I'm saying. Big bang, take the bang, nah, I'm saying. Don't know what I'm about today. Then the gators I might try today. I'ma slide today. Or the true store might have me looking fly today. And Phillips, I'm looking spiff. Motion picture. Can I go with you?
Hell know this part about you.
Whisper about Mr. G Money. And Lennox, who they mention? Spending on money suits, drinks, hey. And his benches at the register. G Money go get another fit.
Okay, bet it up.
Hey. Nothing's left. My stove, I'm a CEO. Many companies. Lennox Mall, Sat Flip Montgomery. Wall to wall, can't tell me nothing. Cause I'm all about this hustling.
Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey.
We can cut it down.
Hey, that was that big bait,
little bait. You know what I'm saying?
But that's how it was. What you were doing every week? Cause you was club promoting.
Exactly.
Every week.
Yep.
The stole them all. New outfit. You know what I mean?
For sure.
That shit was
That's
what it
I was
was.
rapping about.
I remember that.
We was actually doing it that
I ain't
time.
seen you wear the same thing twice in damn near a year. You know what I mean? That's what I must say.
Yeah.
But your head was too big, I couldn't steal your hips. You feel me? I was like, I'm fucking with this nigga big head. Cause we rock fitteds.
Yeah.
You about an 8.
Yeah, I did have an 8 on the fitted count.
I'm a 6, 7, 8. This nigga an 8. I can't steal no hat. This nigga got fresh hats. Nigga in the new hat every week. You know what I mean?
Real talk.
I know it.
Man.
I know it.
I had literally, man, like lines of fitted counts in my closet.
Nigga,
definitely.
for days. And
like you said, they were 8s. Yeah.
8, nigga. I know it. I'm too small. Yo, I couldn't fit a jersey. I couldn't fit a shirt. I couldn't fit a shoe. Nothing. This nigga got all that fine shit in the house. Couldn't fit nothing.
Yeah.
It's all good. I made it.
Yeah.
Hey.
For sure.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah.
Hey, man, on the note, man. Mm-hmm. I know y'all two known each other for some time, man. Y'all grew up with each other. Mm-hmm. Y'all got history, man.
Yeah.
Like, bro, hearing this song, bro, I remember for one, when you first introduced me to it, I was like, I couldn't even believe you was rapping. I was always knowing you being the CEO, you doing artist management, promotion. Yeah. But as an artist, I couldn't even fathom it, bro. Like,
that's where it started from.
You know what I'm saying? And so, like, bro, just take it back, man, for the viewers that's looking at this, bro. Like, when this song was recorded, what was y'all two at? Like, what was going on at this time, bro?
Well, I know at that time I was actually club promoting, and I was also being an artist, and I was managing artists pretty much at the same time. And I know Bri was helping with promotions in regards to hard hitters at that time, and I always like to say Bri was like an A&R when it came to hard hitters as well, and really a partner in the business. Bri, I know, was working at that time, but on your way to Kuwait, pretty much. You was going to be going to Kuwait real soon when that song came out. So, yeah, I mean, in regards to that particular song, at that time, I was promoting Score Sports Bar on Thursdays, the open mic artist showcase. And that was taking off, doing real well every single week. And, we actually recorded that song, me, Player C, which is Calvin Lunsford. Some of you all that may have looked at some of our old episodes may have seen where I've had Calvin Lunsford on the podcast as well a couple of times. C. And also Don K, who was also a part of Hard Hitters as an artist. And we actually recorded that song one night before we went out to pinups. Yeah, we was finna go out to pinups. Yeah, so we actually made that song right before pinups. And we actually collaborated on the hook together. You can actually hear all three of us on the hook in terms of I had some Ad-Libs in there and stuff like that. and Don K pretty much was rapping the hook, and then C had some ad-libs, and then I rapped first, and then C did second, and then Don K was third.
Who mixtape that was on though?
That was on DJ Rell mixtape, and it was C mixtape, and DJ Rell hosted it.
Which, cause C had that welcome. I remember C had that welcome to Stuntland.
Welcome to Stuntland. That was the first mixtape C had, and the second was the Art of Ballin', and that's what that song was on. The Art of Ballin'. You can still find it to this day. It's on live mixtapes.
I crossed my heart. That Player C.
Yeah.
Art of Ballin'.
Yeah.
I crossed my heart.
Yeah.
That was my favorite shit. I rocked that 8 months straight.
Yeah.
You know, C don't even probably know. I was just call that nigga randomly. Like, bro, I'm listening to this. I can't believe it's you. Now I love the fact that they're my dog.
Real stunt music.
Get that man them flowers.
Yeah.
Cause it's like, bro, this is fire.
Yep.
But yeah, back then, that Art of Ballin'.
Art of Ballin'.
When I seen it on live mixtape.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, like this is.
Yeah, Bri, you called me actually some months ago playing that exact song in your car. You recorded it. You actually had sent it over to me. I was like, wow. Yeah.
I was going through some stuff. I was in the basement.
Yeah.
I don't know what I was doing, but it don't matter.
Yeah.
I came across a CD book.
Yeah.
I ain't used no CDs.
CDs a long time. I know.
I had the CD book. I'm going through it. I got G Money. I had 4-5 hard hitter albums, CDs. Yeah, I think the Art of Ballin' was on there.
Yeah.
Cause that's what I used to rock.
Yeah.
So, the little CD book. So yeah, man, that felt good. Coming across y'all boys stuff and seeing that, knowing it.
Yeah.
It was seeing where y'all at and everybody. That's the good part. What I like. A lot of people that was big in music or doing their thing in music now still going hard. You feel me?
Right.
Probably just another lane.
Another lane, exactly.
But it's still
going hard though. Same work ethic, same hustle, same grind.
That's what I respect.
Yeah, for sure. And we have been doing music for a while. I'm gonna tell you this. I actually wanted to pull away from being an artist. I just wanted to really focus on artist management and club promotions at that particular time. But the artists around me wanted me to continue to rap.
Yeah.
Yeah, like they wanted me to continue to rap. They wanted me to continue to hop on songs with them. I really wanted to stop rapping and just focus in on management, running the company, running the label, club promotions. I would say around the time, Bri, when I signed J Hot to my management.
So you start seeing it differently.
Yeah, I didn't want to really do as much rapping, but all the artists were hard at the time, like, nah, G, man, we listened to that. She doing it back in the day. We listened to that. We going ham. We listened to that Big Bank Take Low Back. We listened to those records. Man, we want you on some of our records, man. We know you the CEO and all that. We want you on some of the records, man. Yeah. And I actually, in my opinion, I may not been the best rapper, but I tell you this, though. I wrote my own rhymes. Diddy had this saying where I don't write rhymes, I write checks, right? I'm not going to say that. Like me, I wrote my own raps. No AI, no ghostwriters, none of that. I wrote my own stuff, and I put it on wax.
Hey, you did. I got a story.
And I produced, Bri.
You did, nigga.
Produced beats.
You did a lot.
Yeah.
You did a lot of good shit.
Yeah.
But I remember one time, bro, you wrote a rhyme, nigga. I crossed my whole. I was like, what is this? I remember. You remember too. It was say Lil Mo. Tell me what you think about. What you said? You said go say Gabbana.
Yeah.
I said, nigga, what is go say Gabbana? I said, nigga, you trying to say Dolce Gabbana? Because I was like, don't say Gabbana. He like, nah, Bri, it's go say Gabbana. I'm like, what the f***? Don't say Gabbana, G. I know don't say Gabbana.
Yeah.
So I when you wrote that shit, nigga, you put it on wax and everything. I'm listening to this song. I'm like, this song wrong as f***. This nigga done put money in this shit. We got CD pressed up. Go say Gabbana. Ain't nobody gonna know what the fuck we talking about.
I know